In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the sound, tones and volume levels of 7 white noise machines with a real fan inside. I'll play the quietest first and finish with the loudest. Let's start with the Yoga Sleep Dome Classic. Next we have the Yoga Sleep Dome Uno. This is the Yoga Sleep Dome. Unfortunately, this one rattles a lot, even on a cork mat. Next we have the Yoga Sleep Dome Nova. This one is the Snooze Original. Next we have the Snooze Pro. This is the Snooze Breeze with just the fan that doesn't blow air. This is the Snooze Breeze with the air fan and the one that doesn't blow air. If you haven't already seen it, I've done another video in which I test and compare the noise masking of the white noise machines in different situations. So check that one out if you'd like to find out how effective they are. And let me know in the comments below which one you liked the sound of most and which ones you didn't like. Thanks for watching, sleep well.